So I'm still at the point where I'm trying to figure out how to mount this body to the chassis. My plan was to use these aluminium body posts, which I have trimmed down. The back ones are still the full length, but I've trimmed these down so they sit down into the holes as far as they'll go. And yeah, it's a bit higher than I would be liking. You can see there's not really much support apart from them two body posts. There's a bit of a gap between the chassis and the body. It's still sitting too high at the back there, and the wheels still sort of hit, but not as bad as they were. So if I can bump that suspension up a bit, hopefully the wheels won't touch the body as it turns, but then it's going to be stupid top heavy now because it's sitting so high. The original battery for this car sits in here with quite a short cable. It's a 3-cell lithium ion, I think, if I remember right. If that will maybe focus on that. Yeah, lithium ion. But I have seen guys change them to run on a 2S LiPo. You just have to basically change the plug on it, and it'll run on a 2S LiPos, which I have quite a few of. So I'm gonna extend this wire and have the battery inside the car somewhere, because otherwise you're gonna have to remove the body each time to change the battery. Also the on-off switch is in there as well, which is may have to be rerouted. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna proceed with my plan to try and use these body posts. I may have to strengthen the bottom of the body. From what I can tell, I'm going to have to sort of drill a hole on either side of this raised part here and then screw, down through from the inside of the body. I'm going to screw down into these. So I may have to put some sort of like a metal plate on the inside or something to try and give it a bit more strength. Although it is right and thick plastic, it's a good probably a mil thick plastic there. So this bit here is it looks thicker. It's actually pressed down on the inside, so there's a divot on the inside there as well. Sorry for the dodgy camera work here. So yeah, I'm going to proceed, see what happens. If it doesn't work, I'll attempt some other plan. I did actually have the body on it earlier today. I just basically wrapped a cable tie, a big long cable tie, through and zip tied it to the body, to the chassis, and was driving it about, and it seemed to be alright. It didn't tip over, and it didn't seem to struggle too much with the weight. This car actually has a dodgy gearbox. I think I've lost a tooth in the diff or something in this. You can't really hear it. You can hear it when hear that clicking noise. Yeah, well, you can hear it when you're driving it. So there's a dodgy tooth somewhere in the gearbox. But I have a new gearbox on the way. I found a brand new complete gearbox on Banggood for like $7.50 or something. So I've ordered a new gearbox for it, but I'm going to keep using this gearbox until it completely gives out, and then I'll put the new one in. So it will be a bit noisy in the meantime, but apart from that, it should work alright. Well, it's on. uh, yeah, that plan worked. I don't know how sturdy it will be though. It's just through the plastic of the truck, the body is really the only thing that's holding it. Yeah, so 2 posts down through the back there and through the front. Yeah, 2 through the front, which were a bit more awkward. Focus. If you can see the body posts there. If I can show you here, I just pretty much just push up with my thumb here. It'll slide out. You can see the spray part there because them screws aren't very tight in the front there. You can basically move those ones about. I've got the back ones a bit tighter, but yeah, it's just for the shape of that cutout there is basically what's pushing them out. But you know, how tight does it need to be? I'm not going to be doing, you know, bashing off-road with this really. It's going to be pretty much flat surfaces. So next thing is to try and beef up the shocks a bit. You can get actual, you know, shims that go in there, but I don't have any of that size, so I'm going to have to improvise. So that will be in the next video, guys. I think this one's ran on long enough, but we're certainly getting there. So thanks for watching again. Please leave comments, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thanks, guys. Bye for now.